Coffee somehow never tastes good when I drink it out of a paper cup. A glazed ceramic mug would make it a much more enjoyable experience.
Well, who's going to clean the mug?
We started Dishcare for three reasons. First, we don't like to do the dishes at work. You see, with Dishcare, you can drop your soiled dishes just like you would in a kitchen sink. An autonomous robot inside Dishcare would pick your dishes, clean and organize them for you.
Second, we don't like germs. Dishcare cleans and sanitizes your dishes immediately so that your breakfast dishes don't have to wait for you to finish your dinner in order to get cleaned. This prevents germs from growing on your dishes.
And third, we wanted to do our part to help the planet. Dishcare cleans dishes efficiently by targeting dirt on them with pressure jets in seconds.
No more 2-hour long dishwashing cycles.
Today, you can reserve a Dishcare for your office at dish.care
Reserve a Dishcare.
and elevate your office.